So today we're just going to quickly see how to do integrals like this using the properties of the beta distribution. This works for most probability distributions, all of them really, once you get the hang of it. So probably the easiest first step is we just take out our 12. And here now we'll see that it looks like our beta parameter is 6, right? Because here we do 6 minus 1. And our alpha seems to be 5, right? Because there we do 5 minus 1. So then we have, right, 11, where this is the gamma function, and our 11 comes from 6 plus 5. And, you know, here we just do this inside the integral so that it's effectively multiplying by 1. Not changing anything here. And you'll recognize now that this is our beta distribution, which we know integrates to 1, like all probability distributions. So now we pretty much have 12. And remember, properties of the gamma function are that we're just doing, you know, factorial of minus 1 there. Or sorry, this should be 10. And we're done.